Hello everyone. In today's video lesson, we're going to learn about multidimensional arrays in C++, and we're going to do some operations on them, for example, summing up all the elements. We're going to start by creating a new project, console application, click Go, C++, click Next, and I'm going to name this project multi-array, which stands for multidimensional array. Click Next, click Finish. On the left hand side, double click on Sources, double click on Main, and I'm going to remove everything that's in main. And we're going to start by declaring an array of integers, int array, that has five rows and 6 columns. Equals. We're going to open and close the curly braces. Let's not forget a semicolon. And in this array, we're going to declare elements. And in fact, a multidimensional array is an array of arrays. So we're going to start by declaring the first one. This is array number 1, and curly braces again. Fourteen, 3, 70, 8, 10, comma, another curly braces, 4, 5, 90, 21, 89, 56, comma, then we're gonna say 8, 51, 4, 67, 78, 45, and one more comma. And then we're gonna declare a new array also, a sub-array actually, 99, 100, 345, 278, 0, and this will be it. So right now we're going to declare two integers, int x comma y, semicolon, and int sum equals 0, semicolon, and we're going to declare a nested loop for x equals 0, semicolon, x less than 5, semicolon, x plus plus, and this is the first loop, and in it there's another loop for y equals 0, semicolon, y less than 6, semicolon, y plus plus, and in y we're gonna sum it all up. Sum plus equal array x y, semicolon, and afterwards we're gonna do an output, cout, the sum of all the elements in the array equals sum end of line, semicolon. Let's not forget cin.get, semicolon, and we are ready to run our program. Build and run. The sum of all the elements in the array is equal to 1439. As you see, this is how we can get the total.